Okay, so the current date is Thursday the 27th of August 2026. Current location is Birmingham, United Kingdom, and as you can hear and we'll see very shortly, we've had thunderstorms here today on and off. Started from around 8 a.m. this morning, could have been earlier. But I was awoken to the sound of thunder at about 8 a.m. this morning, and it's been on and off all day, and it's currently 17 minutes past 8 in the evening, and of course we've now got another full-on storm going. The rain has calmed down a little bit. Obviously you can still hear the thunder and see the lightning. Pumpkin is, you won't be able to see it because it's dark, but Pumpkin is actually sat on the bed. She's not very keen on it. She's shaking a bit. That was a big one. Just trying to keep quiet so you can hear the thunder. So for anyone who may be outside of the UK who has subscribed to my channel, basically this year we've had immense heat. We've had multiple heat waves back to back, with the hottest being nearly, I think it got to just over 40 degrees in London. The hottest it got to in Birmingham was about 38, 39 degrees, but it was absolutely sweltering. You know, this is one of the hottest summers we've had for a long, long time. And it is rumoured that more hot weather is on the way during the course of September, so I don't think we're out of the woods yet. But they do say, don't they, thunderstorms are a sign of warm weather. But there you go. I'm not going to ramble on too much, much longer. I just thought I'd record a little bit of it and upload it for you. Well, there's people out there who find storms fascinating. I find them quite fascinating myself, to be honest. As long as they don't do any substantial damage or put anyone at risk, that's when I don't like them. It's like with this heat wave in the UK at the moment. There's been numerous forest fires and line side fires by railways and even house fires, and it's devastating, you know, when the weather can affect you in that sense. It is actually quite upsetting, but you know, I enjoy the varieties of weather, but as long as it's safe and it doesn't pose a risk to life. We'll try and get a couple more big flashes of lightning and then we'll wrap it up. I'm not going to give my exact location out, but obviously I'm located in Birmingham in the West Midlands. That was a good one. I don't know whether the camera picked it up. I've actually got the Kindle outside for you now. Try and capture, see if you can hear the sounds a bit better out there. Sorry. And there we are. Another thunderstorm in the UK, in the West Midlands.